Imagine getting a Brazilian wax with no heat, no sting, and no redness after. Sounds impossible, right? But now science has made it real. Meet Cold Fusion Wax, the new generation of skincare technology. No burns, no pain, only smooth, calm, healthy skin. Traditional hot wax has one big problem. It depends on heat. That heat opens pores and irritates the skin. It can even leave tiny invisible burns that cause redness later. We needed something smarter. Cold Fusion Wax works at room temperature. No heating required. It uses smart polymers that grip hair, not skin. That means clean hair removal without the sting. Think of it as intelligent adhesion, gentle but precise. Inside every jar is real science. Biofusion polymers activated by dental pressure instead of heat. Aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamin E, all working together to soothe and protect. In lab tests, redness dropped by more than 80% compared with traditional wax. Less trauma, more comfort. Early salon trials have been incredible. Clients say it feels cool, refreshing, and surprisingly relaxing. One woman said, "I kept waiting for the sting, but it never came." Over 90% of users preferred Cold Fusion Wax to the usual hot wax. Professionals report faster sessions, cleaner results, and happier clients. With regular use, Cold Fusion Wax does more than remove hair. It gently exfoliates the skin, making it smoother and brighter over time. Chamomile reduces irritation, while vitamin E keeps skin hydrated and soft. Hair regrowth becomes finer and the silky feel lasts longer. Safety still matters. Always test a small patch first. Follow salon hygiene and use post-care balm if your skin is sensitive. Cold Fusion Wax represents a new era in beauty. Gentle, sustainable, and smart. The painful days of hot wax are fading away. Cold Fusion Wax proves that technology and comfort can coexist beautifully. Would you try a wax that stays cool and calm? Share your thoughts below, and subscribe to MTH Health for more science-based beauty insights. Until next time. Stay smooth and stay confident.